the milk for the baby. Check first the formula of the baby, if how many cup you will give it for the baby. The prescription is already here in the formula of the bottle. When you are preparing the milk for the baby, you need to have the feeding bottle, the sterile water or the boiled water. And also you need to have the milk for the baby. In the prescription of the doctor, if they are asking you to make the 3 by 1 of milk, will be 3 of water from here and 1 cup of milk. Always check the label of the milk. You are not allowed to doing like this. So always remember, when you are getting the milk, you must label the milk and put it here in the water. When you are shaking the milk for the baby, you must do it shake like this or like that. Before giving this milk to the baby, you must check the temperature and put it here in the wrist to check the temperature of the milk. And get your baby from the crib and put your baby with a semi-upright position. To feed the baby. Touch the nipple from his lips like this. Baby will suck the nipple and drink the milk. Don't force the baby to finish the milk if the baby is full. When the baby is done to get his milk, remove the bottle and close the bottle and do the burping.